See, as you can hear, this is a mobile responsive dashboard. So either your agents can set in the mobile, they can see the entire charts from mobile, or they can log in through the laptops. So there can be n number of agents that you can create. N number of agents can basically sit on the single dashboard with their respective systems, and they can reply to the queries. So basically, WhatsApp hasn't provided this facility of integrating the WhatsApp Pay option within the chatbot or within the WhatsApp Business API. Currently, what is available, you can share your payment gateways link, like your Razor Pay link or PayU links. So all these links can be done. Just a second, I'm just removing this thing. Yeah. Coming to the next part, so you can connect Dialogflow chatbots as I have already told you. Next, you can monitor and intervene active chats. So all the chats that are being done by the chatbot, your agents, your managers can monitor the chats. They can see what all chats need my intervention. Now I should intervene. They just can click on this intervene button, and they can initiate a live chatting also. So it's a hybrid model of a chatbot as well as a live chat. You can manage all your WhatsApp contacts in here itself. You can send template message. All of this we'll cover one by one. We'll explain you, and we'll show you once we show you the platform and all. Yeah, you can broadcast messages to thousands of users in a single go. This will also show you how you do it. Boost lead generation and retention via WhatsApp. This is one of the strategies that Gautam will be taking you through, how you can boost reorders, how you can boost retention, and all these things. Next thing that is very important, you can send automated notification like payment reminders, delivery updates from time to time. Like some of you sends the OTP notifications to your users via via SMS and emails. So all the automated notification like payment reminders, order confirmation message, delivery updates, your payment is due for this date, this is the amount, click here to make the payment, complete the payment, all the messages, all the API campaigns, all the automated notification that you send to your users via SMS and emails, you can directly replicate it in WhatsApp now with a better opening rate and a better click-through rates, like abandoned cart recovery messages. Nobody opens emails, nobody opens SMS and all, right? But if you send them on WhatsApp, because in WhatsApp the thing is you get an OCD. Like if you haven't opened a message, you get an OCD. You have to open the message, right? So the open rate is quite quite exponential in as compared to SMS and emails, around 95 to 98%. And also we don't get the data of all the people who have switched off their red receipts, so it's actually more than that. And the click-through rates are also very high, around 35 to 60%. Yeah, bank transaction notification, will that be a template message? Yeah, that will be a template message. Abandoned card message can also be sent.